This is how to use pixllab. Step 1. Get pixllab. But I already have it. Open the app. Dud way add. This is add text. Look at all this features used to edit the text. Let me check what the text says. Subcrab. This is the background editor. We can take a pic to use as the background or use pic from your gallery to use as the background. Pick a pic. Now, the styles. There is no text styles you like, and want a custom text styles? Well, go to Texture. I want a Roblox text texture, so pick the Roblox logo pick. Now, font. Pick a font. This is text size. Use it to make text smaller or bigger, and this is copy. And this is delete. This is opacity. You use it to turn anything invisible or nearly invisible. This is rotate. Use it to rotate anything. This is mask. Use it to delete some part of a text or a pic. This is curve. Use it to make a curve in your text. Okay, that's good. I don't like this texture. Delete the texture and make a new texture. Much better. This is stroke. It basically puts outline on the text. This is shadow. It basically makes a shadow on your text. This is emboss. I don't know how to explain what it does. This is perspective. It gives the illusion that you're looking at the text or pic at a different angle. This is 3D text. It turns a text into a 3D version of that text.
What the hell?
The 3D text can be glitchy sometimes. That is perfect. This is 3D shadow. It's basically shadow but 3D.
Perfect.
This is reflection. It makes a reflection. This is import. It's basically overlay. This is color filters. Woo yee, RGB Illuminati.
Later.
This is erase color. Use it on green screens and more. Now save. We can save to gallery or share.